Buyer traffic is still stronger than the norm. Are you putting off selling your home because you're worried nobody's buying because of where mortgage rates are? If so, know this. The latest data shows plenty of buyers are still out there and they're purchasing homes today. And here's the data to prove it. The Showing Time Showing Index is a measure of buyers touring homes. This graph uses the latest numbers available and compares them to the same month in the normal years to show just how active today's buyers still are. As you can see, when June 2023 numbers are stacked alongside of what's typical for the housing market at this time of the year, it's clear buyers are still active, and they're actually a lot more active than norm. If you're wondering how this could possibly be true, it's because buyers are getting used to the higher mortgage rates and accepting them as a new reality. As Daniel Hale, the chief economist at Real.com, has said, interest rate hikes continue to further cut into the purchasing power, although they appear to have adapted to the higher mortgage rate environment. It's simple. Buyers will always need to buy, and those who can afford to move at today's rates, they're going to do so. The key takeaway for you is while it's true things have slowed down from the frenzy of the last couple of years, it doesn't mean that today's market is at a standstill. The reality is buyer traffic is still strong today. Even with today's mortgage rates, plenty of buyers are still making their move. So why delay your own move when there's clearly a market for your house? The bottom line is, don't put off your plans because you're worried no one will buy your home. The opposite is true, and more buyers are more active than normal. Let's connect to get your house ready to sell so it makes the best first impression for those eager buyers.